Okay, hello friends, welcome to the next programming language. This I'm going to create a simple Go program, and I will create an execute file using build command. Next, I will be generating depending on the operating system. I will be execute for for Linux for Mac execute, and I will be showing the difference Go install and Go build. Closing this one, I will go to open folder. Under open folder, navigate to C folder. From C folder, have to select navigate to C folder. Next, select users folder, the login ID. From here, go src. src. This is the project we have selected. Sample project. Select the folder. I have selected over, and I am going to create a new file. The file name is main.go. File name is main.go. And every Go program should start with package. This package my main package, because here only I am going to main executable. From here only execution will, and I need to declare a function. That function name also should have main. We are having a main function and need to declare a package main. This is the place execution will. It will look all the dependencies from here only. I have created a package, declared a package called main, and a function called main function. For this only we will be generating execute, and we are going to print something. Those print functions are present format package. So I need to import the package. Import, I need to specify the package fmt. Package name is called is fmt. Import format package. Under format have a function println function. Call this function hello world. Every program right programming language first starting point is hello world. Here also I am going to write I have created a function. What I am going is I am going to run this program. I created a package name called main. I have imported a function. I have created a function called function name is main, printing hello world here. Run, go, run. To run, it will fail. It will not execute because we need to specify the file name. Okay, go run main.go. And this go run main.go, what it will do? Create executable on fly, and that executable will be deleted. After execution is completed, this executable will be deleted. We don't know where is the executable is present and how it created. To see this, we need to call go run minus x. We need to specify minus x. Then you can see where executable is going to create. Under this path, it is here under work 001 main.exe executable created, and this executable will be deleted after execution. After execution is complete, hello world is printed over. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to create a custom name for this. Instead of main.go, I am going to create a custom name, or I am going to generate it. I will not run directly. I will do go build. It will generate the executable file here, the current working directory. I go build, it create an executable current work root package name sample project.exe. Navigate to sample project.nav. Go src sample project. Here executable is created. exe md we can execute here directly. Hello world, it's execute. And I don't want it to have this sample underscore project.exe. I wanted to change it. So for that, what we need to specify minus o my app.exe. I wanted to change it. I wanted to customize the name. Will create an executable with myApp.exe. Created myApp.exe. Execute this, you'll see the same response. myApp.exe. Same response. Next, we are going to create executable for only for Windows. How do I create executable for other operating systems? It's simple. We need to specify GOOS, Go architecture. To generate a executable for Linux, just copy this one and execute over here. It will create an executable. Oh, yeah, sh and not give space between this. OS Linux sh it's created here. linuxApp.sh file is created. We can run in Linux. I wanted to suppose if you want to create for Mac, copy this. Say Mac won't be any Mac app. Don't need to extension Darwin. Create executable Mac operating. What we have done? We have run the Go programming using Go run and fileName.go, and we using -x we have seen where the executable is created and how it is deleted after the execution. To customize the name, default name, or build an executable file, we have specified go build or filename.go, or just go build is fine. If you wanted to customize the name, go build -o app.exe, have to specify. And to create an executable for different operating systems, by go os and GOARCH. Need to specify the app names, windows.app.exe or linux.app.exe. For Mac sh, and go install is used to generate an executable file. This executable file will be generated under bin folder. Now check O completed. It will generate executable under bin folder. Where is my go installed? This is my root path. Under go bin folder. Bin sample app.exe will be installed. This is created now. Sample project.exe compiled and executable is created under this root under bin folder. This one also we can run directly. Open command prompt, sample app.exe. We have created. Only one difference between go build and install. Install will create an executable under bin folder. Go build will create executable under current working directory, current folder. Thanks, friend.